What is up, my kiddos? I've never really made a beauty video on my channel, but I'm pretty pumped, I gotta say. So, I'd say about once a month, I have like a crisis moment where I'm like, oh my god, I need to try harder because I just wear like a hoodie and leggings to class every day, and I also never wear makeup, so I'm just like, how am I gonna find a boyfriend like this? I don't know. So then I have like this crisis week where I'm like, oh my god, I gotta like actually like enforce the style that I like in my head that I never wear. I don't know. I feel better when I wear makeup and better outfits anyways. So it's just like, stop being so lazy, just put the effort in and you'll feel better. So I'm currently in that crisis week right now because I'm thinking, I'm on winter break, but obviously I'm gonna return to college. Second semester, I wanna do different, right? So I've been thinking, I grew up in upstate New York, that's where my family home is, but I go to school in Southern California at Chapman University. Anywhere in California, honestly, there's a bunch of very pretty Asian girls, a bunch of ABGs, and I just can't compete with them. I really can't. I really can't do it. On a college campus, there's no way. And I know this isn't like a competition, but I'm like, at least let me join like the circle. Let's all do this together, shall we? I decided for this video, I'm gonna turn myself into an ABG. Just a little background on me. I'm half Korean, half white. I don't speak Korean or anything. I was born in the US and I'm just not very Korean culturally. Those of you who don't know what an ABG is, it stands for Asian baby girl. I know they like drink a lot of boba tea. They usually have blonde dyed hair. Let me look it up. What the fuck is an ABG? Urban Dictionary. Maybe not the right place to go, but Urban Dictionary's definition of ABG is a special type of Asian girl who enjoys going to clubs, partying, and drinking with friends. Loves to get boba and shop. Usually an Instagram model, influencer, or bartender. Okay, I think like the Instagram model makes sense. So I'm just gonna go for that kind of look, essentially copying my sister. Just kidding. Ashley's definitely not ABG, but she's an Instagram model. Before I start with my makeup, I'm gonna change my clothes. Let me do this like fire transition. Oh, I love myself. Watch this. I did it! How you guys like it? If you're wondering, this shirt's from Brandy and these pants are from Garage. Wow, I feel better already. Okay, so now that I've changed my clothes, my hair and my face are in their completely natural state. I haven't done anything to them. I believe it's now time for us to start the makeup. I normally only wear mascara, blush, and maybe some concealer if I need it. But today, I think the goal is to like apply a full face of makeup, but still have it look glowy. So, wow, I've never done a beauty video. This is so funny. So I'm gonna start off with this Revolution foundation stick. I actually really like this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it everywhere. I usually don't. I'm going everywhere today. Please don't roast me. I'm gonna use my fingers first. What is the problem with using your fingers to do makeup? Is there an actual issue? I feel like it does the most effective job, but who am I to say? Wow, why do I feel like I already look better? I think this stuff is all placebo because I've done nothing pretty much. I'm gonna try baking. Never done that. I know baking you're supposed to do with like a white powder or a really light powder, but all I have is translucent powder. So I'm just gonna put a lot of translucent powder. There's no reason to do this. I'm still gonna. Me with this entire video. Okay, now I'm gonna take my NYX micro brow pencil. I use the color taupe, oh my god, because it's light enough to fill in the sparse areas but not enough to like make my entire eyebrow look like a brick. You just do little feather motions to mimic the brow hairs. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do another thing for my eyebrows, which is I'm gonna take an old spoolie and I'm gonna rub it in some bar soap, and then you brush the bar soap through your eyebrows and it makes it stay in place like so well. I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay, so essentially what I did was I wet the spoolie and I just rubbed in some bar soap. Okay, I think that's good enough. Yo, what the? So my eyebrows look a bit more fluffy now. Why do my eyebrows look huge now? Okay, I guess this may be time for me to do eyeshadow. Because this video is about ABGs, Asian baby girls, and I'm Asian, and I'm assuming that a lot of you guys are probably Asian that are watching this, because who else knows what an ABG is? I'm gonna talk a little bit about my experience being mixed. So, essentially, okay, oh, sorry, wait, before I do that, I'm gonna talk about what makeup I'm using. This is the Happy Mist palette. It's so nice. I love this. We got gifted this, and I actually really like it. I'm just gonna take this pink color, because I actually like doing pink blush toned eyeshadows. Anyways, my experience being mixed in America. In this essay, I'm just kidding. I grew up half Korean, half white. My chance of being bilingual was stolen from me by my own mother. Just kidding, I love you, Mom. But it is kind of sad to know that you could have been bilingual, had this whole powerful, amazing brain, but instead, no. You speak one language and you cannot even speak it that well. It was always weird to be viewed immediately as something that I felt I had almost no connection to. It was very frustrating, especially as a child and a young teenager, to be like, why do people automatically assume I'm like stereotype of like an Asian kid? I don't know. I felt like I was being judged as something that I was not, and I was like, what the heck? But now I've realized that being Asian is so much cooler than being one thing. Like, if I was just white, what would I be? Who's to say? I like myself better mixed. Also, Asians are like the new thing on TikTok. And I'm like, this is my time to shine. Kind of feeling myself. You know, everyone wants me. It's no big deal. My hair looks so frizzy. I can't say cheese on vegan. Lettuce. Sometimes TikTok really kills me. It was also weird because I grew up in the Northeast and I like never traveled. The farthest I've ever traveled is to California, and that's where I live now. Kind of a culture shock to move there because where I live, it is obviously white majority. Everyone owns a lake house and wears bean boots. But then I moved to Cali and I've never been in like a really diverse environment, and I didn't think that it would feel that much better, and it really is so much nicer there. Chapman is one of the whiter schools in California. To me, it's like still so much more diverse than my high school. Here in the Northeast, I feel like people just see you as your race and it's like, oh, you're Asian and like nothing else. But then in California, it's like everyone's something, so you give everyone a chance. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? This is what all the Insta baddies do. They take the champagne color and put it in their inner corner. Okay, I suppose it's time to do mascara. I'm gonna use Ashley's, no offense. Essence mascara called Get Big Lashes. I'm just gonna go ham because we do not have eyelashes. So you gotta put like 20 layers of that shit on there. Alright, my mascara just took me like almost 10 minutes because my bone structure is so busted. You know, okay, my fellow Asians know what I'm talking about. You know how like white people or anyone besides Asians pretty much, they have like their eyebrow bone and then their eye is like back in their head more and their like eyebrow bone juts out. So if you were to like punch them in the eye, it would hit their eyebrow bone and not their eye. If you were to punch me in my eye, you would punch straight into my eyeball because it's just flat on my face. So when I do mascara, all of it just gets on my eyelids and I have to like wash everything off. I realize I look kind of weird in this video because I don't have contour on yet. So I'm gonna do that. Let me see if Ashley has contour. I think these jeans still have the tag on the back. Yep, right there. I'm gonna sneeze. Ow! That's the second time I've sneezed on camera and it's always weird. Half of my friends have never even heard me sneeze because I sneeze like twice a year. You guys are lucky. I sneeze for you. Wow. Next I'm gonna take this really old Wet n Wild contour stick. I'm just gonna go where the contour is needed. Ew! And now I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna blend in with my fingers. Oh my god, my co-star just said burst. That was my daily advice. Burst? God, what does that mean? I'm gonna put more in my corner because I feel like that's the very ABG thing. Kind of forgot what this video is about until right now. Get in there. Nice and bright. I guess because this video is related to Asian things, I should probably talk a bit more about Asian things. I don't listen to K-pop, but when I was like in 2nd grade, I don't know if any of you guys like that listen to K-pop currently remember Super Junior? I loved Super Junior. I still don't know what any of the songs were about because I can understand them, but I love them. Kyuhyun was my favorite. You know what it is? Kyuhyun walked so that Jungkook could run. I think if you know anything about K-pop, you can maybe agree to that. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Maybe that's too controversial. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. K-pop stans are wildin'. But I think that Kyuhyun was the Jungkook of his day. Is Jungkook like the most famous BTS dude? Or do I just hear about him the most because everyone thinks my brother looks like him? This is my brother and Jungkook. Y'all go crazy about Andrew and Jungkook. Oh, blush. I'm using this like very random lip crayon. I just do a like random little shape there. Okay, and then on my nose, most important part. Go heavy on the blush, ladies and gents. Oh my god, it looks so much better now. Now I need to do a little highlight. I don't like highlight, but I think that is the key to the glowy look. Every ABG or pretty Asian girl in my college has the blushed nose and then the little dot of highlight, and I need it! So I'm gonna take some lip balm. I'm gonna go like this. On the tip and then down the shaft. I'm joking. On the tip and then the highest part of your nose. Okay, next I don't have a highlighter. I'm gonna take the champagne color from my eyeshadow and put it on top of the lip balm that I put down so that sticks. Okay, this is disgusting, but trust me, guys. Now I think because I want to tie this whole look together, make it look really baby. I'm gonna put on some fake freckles. I already have some freckles to start with, so like it should seem natural on my face. I hate it here. Oh god, Jaden Smith. I hate it here. I'm literally trying so hard to make it come off of my face and it's just not. Wow, I never wear makeup. This is crazy. It's so funny. So I'm a freshman in college. I just finished my 1st semester, about to start my 2nd. Just the first couple months of college. I wore makeup every day. I was making friends. I was essentially killing it. At my ultimate peak, I think. It just feels so good to like feel like I'm back in that place again where I'm actually trying. Yo, give me some dots on my face, please. Oh god. Oh, I can't wait for my children to be like some weird mix. My dream is to have like ethnically ambiguous children. I just want to birth Noel Miller. Am I right, guys? Okay, I give up. Fake freckles. I already had like half of these to start with. I think this is it, honestly. I kind of killed that myself. Oh! Winged eyeliner. I can't. No, I can't do it. I literally cannot do it. That would just ruin all of this. I forgot lip gloss. This is from Milani. It's sheer but has like purple glitter in it, which is kind of whack. Oh. I look so glossy right now. Should I do like a full body view of my outfit? Why don't you say so? Oh, let me prove my Asianness. I can write my name in Korean. Where is a pen and paper though? Whoa, I just found one of my old notebooks that actually wrote a note to me and I never found the note. It's dated August 29th, 2016. There you go, really quick. It says, Dear Amber, I really enjoy to write on this college ruled paper. By the time you reach this page, if you even do, it's the very last page of the notebook, I will know what college I'm going to. Also, I have to take my driving test. LOL. Goodest lucks. Heart, Ashley. That's so funny. She didn't know where she was going to college yet. Now I'm in college, and then we have a YouTube channel. How does that happen? Is it this? It looks something like that.
You look sexy.
Thank you.
I think that you look kind of like me.
Yeah, I just turned myself into Ashley.
It's just because you're wearing my clothes. Do you curl your hair?
This is my natural hair.
Amber, you being dead ass? No way, Amber. That looks like you used a curler. I'm so mad.
It's all natural, baby.
She's skinty. Oh, that's my sister. Amber, you look so pretty. Amazing. Amber, I like you when you wear lipstick. Have you just been transitioning into that all day?
Yeah, I woke up and immediately did this. And now what am I gonna do? Sit at home?
I'm going out to lunch with PJ and Zara. Do you want to come?
So we're now going to get Korean food with our friends Zara and PJ. So we're on that ABG vibe, eating some Korean barbecue, I think, or something like that. And then we might get boba tea after.
Yes.
So this video actually kind of makes sense now. I got bibimbap without the beef and egg.
Hi.
Oh, hello. We got boba tea. I like never eat boba. This is actually really good. I got hazelnut latte with almond milk.
The whole squad laughing.
I believe that's all for this video. I know I didn't really succeed in turning myself into an ABG. I more so just turned myself into Ashley, but we had a good time. That's all that matters. Let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like this, like beauty or like Asian type videos, I guess. I hope you guys liked watching. If you want to like and subscribe, I mean, I'm not gonna stop you. Wait a minute. You thought the video was done there? Never judge a book by its cover. What's up, kiddos? I'm popping in because I have a bit of news for you. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Can you guess what the news is? I designed merch! So you may be wondering, what's it all about? As most of you guys know, a lot of my channel is based around me moving from New York to California for college. So obviously it impacted a lot of my life and consequently my YouTube channel. So I designed my merch around the overall idea of like nostalgia, home, and family, because those were like the overall feelings of this past year of my life. And because I don't really have like a catchphrase or anything for my YouTube channel, I just chose a phrase that resonated with me, and that phrase is, we lived here. And that's because this home in New York is where I grew up. This was home. And it was kind of your guys' home too, because you guys watched these videos, became a part of our family, got to see what was going on. The idea of this merch is just to remember where you came from, remember your roots, and just remember all the good times you had here, because this was home. We lived here. So just to explain a bit more about each element of my merch, the picture is my dog sticking his head out the car window. I'll put the original photo here right now so you can see. I took that photo just a couple days before I left for college, and it's like my favorite picture of my dog ever because he looks just so happy. Just very northeast summer, and it just reminds me a lot of home. And also, you guys know if you've watched my videos about moving across the country, the hardest part of me leaving was leaving my dog. So Bubby's just a nice little reminder of home for me. And then in the bottom left corner, there's ALA 01 because my initials are ALA, Amber Louise Alexander, and 01 was the year I was born. So that kind of acts as my signature on the merch. So by the time this YouTube video has been published, my merch will have just been released online. The link will be in the description of this video right down below. And yeah, I worked super hard on the design. I know it's not like cliche, flashy merch, but I just made something that I'm proud of in the style that I like, and it just means a lot to me. So yeah, as I said earlier, the link to my merch is in the description if you want to check it out. And I believe that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!